Your home might be your biggest asset, and yet you could be inadvertently making it less valuable. Some updates and renovations can backfire when it comes time to sell your home. Hi, I'm Bob.Woolverton. I'm with Pure Real Estate in Bellevue, Washington. Here on YouTube, I'm known as your Northwest Realty Advisor. I've seen people wait until they get ready to sell their home to take care of things like deferred maintenance. Don't just fix up your home for the next owner. Fix it up so you can enjoy your home while you're still living there. But when you do fix up your home, be aware there are some dumb ways you can be dragging down your home's resale potential. So stick around and I'll tell you the 5 most common ways people drag down the resale value right after this 8-second break. So here are the 5 most common ways you could be dragging down your home's resale potential. Number 1, selecting the wrong paint color. You may think neutral is boring, but buyers could be turned off by brightly colored walls. That may seem silly since it's relatively easy to repaint, but some people don't want the hassle of repainting when they first move in, and you probably don't want the hassle of having to paint quickly before you put your home on the market. And believe me, buyers will judge your home based on paint color alone. So consider yourself forewarned. If you decide to paint your rooms every color of the rainbow, you'll be setting yourself up to either repaint prior to going on the market or settling for a lower market price on your home. Number 2, using bold and busy designs. It isn't just colorful walls that can derail a potential sale. Busy or bright patterns on wallpaper, tiles, or flooring can be a problem for many potential buyers. Those surfaces are much harder to change than just a coat of paint and can have much more of a negative effect on your home's value. If you don't have any reason to think you'll be moving soon, go ahead and be creative. Otherwise, think twice about loud designs and bold colors. Always choose neutral options for permanent items and add your personal style with accessories, furniture pieces, or wall art. Number 3, adding too much technology. Technology changes quickly, which means an expensive smart home system today may be obsolete in just a few years. People often invest too much money to get the most current electronic system, and then they're often disappointed in 5 to 7 years when buyers are not impressed. Go ahead and install the latest bells and whistles for your own use and enjoyment. Just don't expect such upgrades to boost your home sale price down the road. Number 4, failing to control landscaping. Curb appeal isn't necessarily reflected in the home's appraised value, but curb appeal can certainly make or break a sale. When potential buyers pull up in front of your home, make that first impression your home's best impression. Clear out debris, trim overgrown bushes, and pull weeds to create a clean exterior. Overgrown landscaping not only makes a home look poorly maintained, but it also makes a home look very old. And number 5, letting your home fall into disarray. Keep a home's interior clean and well maintained also. If something breaks, fix it. If you don't know how to fix it, hire someone who does know how to fix it. Neglecting plumbing and electrical work could have dire consequences on your home's value if it leads to structural damage. And today's home buyer just doesn't want to deal with your deferred maintenance. They want to move in this week and be entertaining their friends by this weekend. So from paint color to bold and busy patterns to spending too much on technology and deferred maintenance inside and outside of your home, the bottom line is this: don't go overboard on colors and patterns, and remember, clean sells for top dollar. Well, that music means we're out of time for today. I hope you found value in today's video. If you did, click that subscribe button and click that reminder bell. That reminder bell will notify you when I post new videos. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up. That tells Google's algorithm there is something of value in this video. And finally, please share this link with someone you know who can benefit from the information on this YouTube channel. You can find my email address and my telephone number in the description below and at the end of this video. Call me or email me. I would love to hear from you, and I'd love to represent you in your next real estate transaction. I'm Bob.Woolverton. I'm with Pure Real Estate in Bellevue, Washington. Here on YouTube, I'm known as your Northwest Realty Advisor. Every Tuesday morning at 7 a.m., I post new videos about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, as well as some home tours and listing videos. I'll see you next week.